Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikipitanga kakukuya panino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungogara subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya buditswa pa X nyaya Linda Masarira uyo akabuda achiaccusa murume wake Bongani Hlotswayo nyaya kuti akarara nemwana wake. So pane nyaya ya buda nepa X mushure mekunge one of my Twitter users abuda achishare a conversation yakaita na Linda Masarira. In one of my conversations aya Linda Masarira akabuda achitaura achiti akareconcile ne murume wake Bongani. Linda kameka ma headlines last month after murume wake akamurova nenyaya yekuti angambata ari in a compromising position nemwana wa Linda Masarira uyo ane makore 22 anonzi Kupa. So Linda Masarira aka hospitalized mushure mekunge akasafa ma injuries paziso rake left eye rake muri Zimbabwe. Bongani akabatwa nemhosva kapia before the airport magistrate court. The court yakasentenza Bongani uyu to 15 months in prison with 5 months suspended for 5 years. Pakapiwa Zoshikari in additional 10 months were suspended on the condition that he complete 350 hours of community service. So mkomana arkunzi akaba ita community service, then Masarira akadropa ma charges ake muri Zimbabwe. So in a surprising twist, kunze kokondema actions akaitwa na husband yake Linda Masarira abuda achitaura iye achiti he squarely puts the blame on her daughter. Zvinzi mwana wake ndiye akawanikwa achisejusa Linda Masarira. Akabuda ndofunga muri kuona machatsi ayo Linda Masarira achibvunzwa achinzi have you moved on, zvikanzi akataura achiti how are you, we spoke things and ironed out certain issues. The user akabvunzwa achinzi are you sure you are okay? You said you find him sleeping with your daughter and you are back with him, or you were lying to us. Are you desperate or what? This is embarrassing, especially coming from you, someone I view as a woman who stands up for the truth and what is right. I must be honest and tell you this is the most disgusting story I have had. Akabuda achiudzwa nemumwe wake akabuda achipindura Linda Masarira akataura achiti I'm an adult 41 who is capable of making decisions for herself and her future. My daughter seduced my husband. He was tempted and failed to control himself. He apologized akaripa pachivanu to me and my parents. My daughter is the one who is unremorseful. He hasn't apologized since and is bragging to the world that she fixed me. I ain't desperate at all. I put Bongani's weaknesses on his scale and I realized that he was 80% good or excellent and 20% fault. Why should I throw away the baby and the water? It is better to deal with the faults and maintain the good. Akabuda achireply wazvikanzi, do you hear yourself, Linda? If you are not bewitched, you are sick. I don't think I can have a conversation with such. Good day. If you are an adult, you claim to be, you shouldn't be contacting us crying. This is very sick. Those Akabuda shuudzwa Linda Masarira muri Zimbabwe. Vanhu vazhinji vakachema vakablasta Linda Masarira for her actions since aisafanira kuregerera murume wake. The political activist Kerina Mujati akabuda achiti good morning Zimbabwe. Linda Masarira needs dangerous prayers as this demon which is following her needs exorcism if she can be saved from the sexual demon that has caused her untold humiliation in her dysfunctional house. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe. Linda Masarira aifanira kuita sei. There's also The truth trend yabuda wechitaura pamusoro penyaya yaLinda Masarira. Wakabuda vachiti love triangle or family feud, the Linda Masarira dilemma. And in the realm of Zimbabwe's political landscape, few stories have captured the public's image quite like the saga of Linda Masarira. This tale of political intrigue, power struggles, and personal drama is a testament of the complex and often bewildering world of Zimbabwean politics. The story begins with Linda Masarira, a prominent figure in Zimbabwean politics and the president of the Labour Economists and African Democrats Party. Masarira, known for her outspoken nature and fierce commitment to her political beliefs, found herself at the center of a scandal that would rock her personal life and the Zimbabwean political scene. The drama unfolded when Masarira discovered her husband, Bongani Mhloshwa, in a compromising position with her 22-year-old daughter, Kupa Kwashe Masarira. The incident, which occurred in the Masarira family home, led to a physical altercation between Masarira and her husband. As a result, Masarira was admitted to hospital and is currently recovering from her injuries. In a twist that has left many scratching their head, Masarira has reportedly chosen to forgive her husband for indiscretion, while still harboring resentment towards her daughter. The decision has sparked a flurry of debate on social media, with some expressing disbelief at Masarira's apparent prioritization of her marriage over her relationship with her daughter. In a statement shared on her X account, Masarira expressed gratitude to those who supported her during this challenging time. She disclosed that she has moved out of her house and is temporarily staying in Charlotte while she considers a next step. The incident has raised serious questions about the state of Masarira's personal life and the impact it may have on her political career. As the dust settles on this extraordinary tale, one can help but wonder what the future holds for Linda Masarira and her family. Will she be able to mend the rift in her family, or will the fallout from this scandal continue to haunt her? Only time will tell. Taura the truth trend yasipazobuda iyo nyaya yekuti Linda akaregera murume wake ndikava kugara vese tingazamunwa sei nyaya iyi. Tudziwe zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.